Hello dear students, there is a problem. Okay, a convex mirror has a focal length of 20 centimeter. An object is placed 40 centimeter from the mirror. Determine the position, nature and size of the image. This is our problem. Then how to solve this? Okay, first we need to write what they given in the problem. Here a convex mirror has a focal length of 20 centimeter, which means the focal length f is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, an object is placed 40 centimeter, which means the u or the object distance is 40 centimeters. Okay, then which mirror is this? It is a convex mirror, so that we need to apply the Cartesian method to this problem. Okay, by applying the Cartesian method, the focal length is a plus 20. The focal length is plus 20 and the object distance will be minus 40. Okay, after that we need to find the image distance. How to find the image distance? There is an equation, mirror equation. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Then we need to rearrange the equation. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Then we can substitute our values. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by minus 40. After that, 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20 minus into minus, then it will be plus 1 by 40. Next, we can take the common denominator. 1 by v is equal to 2 by 40 plus 1 by 40. Then 1 by v is equal to 3 by 40. Next, v is equal to 40 divided by 3. It will be approximate v is equal to 13.33 centimeters. Okay, we got the image distance. image distance. Next, we need to find the magnification. We need to find the magnification. The magnification m is equal to minus v by u. Then here it is, v is 13.33 divided by v equal to minus 40 and also a minus, and then we will get m is equal to 0.333.